Hello friends, welcome you all. In last lecture we are discussed the bolt value, then what is meant by tension strength of plate, its formula, then efficiency of joint, formula, and grade classification of bolts, and one numerical problem on design of actually loaded bolted joint. With continuation of this we are looking for the problem number 2. So let us see the statement of problem number 2. Design the lap joint plates 100 by 10 mm thick connected to transmit a 120 kN factor load using single row of 18 mm diameter bolts of grade 4.6 grade and plates of 415 grades. So this is the problem statement. So let us see what are the given data is there. First, bolt grade is given, that is 4.6, means from we can calculate the FUB, that is ultimate strength of bolt. It is 400 Newton per mm square. Then plate grade is given, that is Fe 415, means Fu is equal to 415 Newton per mm square. Then diameter of bolts is given 18 mm. Then diameter of bolt hole, that is diameter of bolt plus 2 mm, that is 20 mm. Then gross area of bolt is given, that is pi by 4 into 18 square, that is 254.47 mm square, and we are calculating the net area of the bolt, that is 0.78 multiplied by gross area, and it is 198.49 mm square. So let us see step number 1. First, we have to calculate the single shear strength. As we had discussed earlier, single shear strength is VDSB is equal to VNSB upon gamma m1. We put the formula of VNSB is equal to FUB upon root 3 in bracket NN into ANB plus NS into SB. This NS value is 0, therefore this value is become 0. Now, by calculating VNSB, we get the value 45838.33 Newton. Dividing it by the gamma m1, that is partial safety factor of material, we get the value of VDSB is equal to 36.67 kilonewton. Now step number 2 is strength of bolts in bearing, that is VDPB is equal to VNPB upon gamma m1, where VNPB is equal to 2.5 kb into D into T into Fu, where kb is the least of E upon 3 into D0, P upon 3 into D0 minus 0.25, or FUB upon Fu, or 1. So firstly find out the value of kb. We know the we must assume, or we have to calculate the edge distance and pitch distances. Now edge distance we are assuming that is 1.5 D0 or 1.7 D0 by flame cut, machine flame cut, or hand flame cut. Now here we can calculate the pitch using the formula TDN is equal to 0.9 into Fu into P minus D0 into T divided by gamma m1, where Fu is the ultimate strength of plate, P is the pitch distance which we have to calculate, D0 is the diameter of bolt hole, T is the thickness of plate. Here TDN is equal to value of single shear strength, okay, that is value of single shear strength for calculating pitch. So we are putting the all values in the formula and calculating the pitch. Pitch is equal to 22.7 mm. Now we have to check it for the minimum criteria of pitch. So we know the minimum pitch is equal to 2.5D, that is 2.5 multiplied by 18 mm, which is equal to 45 mm. Means we have to provide the at least minimum pitch, which value P is equal to 22.7 is lesser than this value. So we cannot provide this P is equal to 22.7 mm. We have to provide at least the pitch of 45 mm. So now we are providing the pitch is equal to 45 mm. Then edge distance is equal to 1.5 D0, that is machine flame cut edge we are considered. Then 1.5 into D0 is 20, it is equal to 30 mm. So now we know the pitch distances and edge distances. Now we are calculating the kb, that is the list of below. So putting the all values of end distance, edge distance, pitch distance, diameter of bolt hole, we get the value of kb, that is minimum of this four, that is 0.5. So we are taken the value of kb is equal to 0.5. Put this value in the formula of V and PB, that is 2.5 into kb, that is 0.5, d, that is diameter of bolt hole 18 mm, then TP, that is the thickness of plate, and 415, that is the ultimate strength of plate. And we are calculating the VNPB is equal to 93375 Newton. By dividing this value by gamma m1, that is 1.25, we get the VDPB, that is 74700 Newton, that is 74.70 kilonewton. So the step number 3 is bolt value. So we know the bolt value is the list of VDSB and VDPB, that is 36.67 kilonewton. And last step, number of bolts. Number of bolts is equal to the factor load divided by the bolt value. So putting the values, we get the number of bolts is 4 numbers. And lastly, we are draw the figure for the connection of joint, that is bolted connection. 4 bolts are in a row, 30 is the edge distance or end distance, 45 mm pitch distances. Okay, so in this problem the different part is only the calculating the pitch distances. Okay, if we are not assuming the pitch distances and we have to calculate the pitch distances, then we can use the formula of TDN is equal to 0.9 multiplied by Fu into P minus D0 bracket multiplied by T divided by gamma m1. By this knowing the pitch, we can calculate the KB and finally VDPB. So hope you understand this problem. So next problem, let us see problem number 3. So the problem statement is here. So 12 mm thick plates are connected, both plates having the thickness of 12 mm using the double bolted lap joint. Okay, here double bolted lap joint is used, means we have to consider the double shear strength of bolt. Okay, so using 16 mm diameter of bolt is given, grade is given 4.6, then pitch is 80 mm is already given. Okay, so we cannot assume or we cannot be calculated the pitch using the formula. Here pitch distance is already given. Then we have to calculate the strength and efficiency of joint. Okay, strength and efficiency of joint. So let us see the answer. So first given data, you can write bolt grade is given, that is FUB is given. Now in this problem, uh, plate grade is not mentioned, so we are assuming plate grade is equal to Fe 400, sorry, Fe 410 grade. Okay, steel. Therefore Fe is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. Diameter of bolt is given, that is 16 mm. Then from that we can calculate diameter of bolt hole, that is 18 mm. Then gross area is we can calculate pi by 4 into d square, that is 201.06 mm square. Then net area is equal to 0.78 multiplied by gross area. By putting the value in the formula, we get the answer 156.82 mm square. Now step number 1, we have to calculate firstly single shear, then we calculate double shear. Okay, because here double lap joint is given. So the single shear strength, we know the formula VDSB is equal to VNSB upon gamma m1. So VNSB is equal to FUB upon root 3 in bracket NN into ANB plus NS into ASB. By putting these all values in the formula, we get the VNSB is equal to 36.21 kilonewton, and dividing by the gamma m1, that is the partial safety factor of material, we get the VDSB value is equal to 28.97 kilonewton. Now here double shear is happened, therefore we are calculating the value of double shear strength. Just multiply by value of single shear to the 2, we get the double shear, that is 2 multiply by single shear value, that is 28.97, we get 57.94 kilonewton. So step number 2, strength of bolt in bearing, that is VDPB. Again we use the formula VNPB upon gamma m1. Then calculating the value of VNPB, first of all calculate the value of KB, that is the minimum of these all 4. Here we can assume the directly E is equal to 40 mm. You can use the 1.5d0 for calculating the edge distance, and pitch is directly given, that is 80 mm. So knowing the formula, putting the values of in the all putting the values in the first of all in kb, formula of kb. So it is the minimum of E upon 3d0, P upon 3d0 minus 0.25, FUB upon FU and 1. So here we are finding the kb minimum value is 0.74. So we are taken the kb is equal to 0.74. Therefore VDPB is equal to 116.50 into 10 raised to 3 Newton, that is 116.50 kilonewton. So the volt value is the minimum of VDSB and VDPB. So the minimum value from the both is 57.94, that is strength of bolt, means bolt value. Okay, bolt value or strength of bolt is equal to 57.94 kilonewton. So the next step we have to calculate the efficiency of joint. So the efficiency of joint, we know the formula. Efficiency of joint is equal to the minimum actual strength of joint divided by gross strength of solid plate multiplied by 100. So this gross strength of solid plate we can calculate using the formula 0.9 into Fu into cross sectional area divided by gamma mb. So putting the all values in the formula, 0.9 Fu is 410, cross sectional area, that is the plate area 80 into 12 divided by 1.25, we get the value of gross strength of solid plate is 283.39 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. So therefore the efficiency of joint, putting the all values in the formula, this minimum actual strength of joint is 57.94 kilonewton divided by gross strength of solid plate, okay, multiply by 100, we get the efficiency is 20.44%. So hope you understand both the problems of today's session. So thank you very much.